As a parents, if you have questioned that how your child can get into the creative field, do they have any degrees in the creativity side? Or maybe you have ideas about there is the degrees in the creativity field. You want to train your child, or else you want to help your child to get into that areas. What is the process? How we should help them and all the things. Simple. If your child is always doing sketching and all the things, that's a natural skill they have in the creativity side. Good. Sketching is the natural talent. Yeah, good. But if you get some degree on this particular areas, your career also can be in the creative field, not only hobby. Yeah, that is more interesting, correct? So in India, we have lot of top colleges, NIT, NIFT, IIT, not all like this. Lot of the top colleges have providing degrees. The way they are providing degrees for engineering in other areas, similarly they are also providing degrees on the creative field areas. In the creative field areas, okay, there are different degrees are available for product design, for fashion design, okay, for architect. Like this, lot of different areas are there. So you can choose, even this creative field, you can choose based on your interest areas, you can choose your degrees. So for this, all the degrees you can join. Top colleges also having, and second level top sector area colleges also is providing. All level of colleges are providing degrees on these areas. Your child to enter into those areas, they need to have good knowledge about the sketching skills plus creativity thinking. Okay, these things, it's learnable, they already have. Okay, they need little training to warm up this. Okay, they want to prove that before joining the colleges or degrees, they'll have small entrance. The top colleges have very strong entrance. Okay, other colleges will have entrance. Okay, in the entrance, they'll count average, they'll count for 100 marks, 80% marks will belongs to their sketching skills and the creativity thinking areas. Yeah, rest of the marks they are for the communication test in the other areas. So if you are good at your sketching skills, more than art skills, if they're more sketching like character sketching, like whatever you think and feel, those things you're trying to scribble it, this kind of skills if you have, very good. That skills plus creativity thinking will make you to get pass on this entrance. Once the entrance is passed, based on your abilities, based on your skill level, you can choose whatever degrees you want. Once you enter into the degrees, they will teach you those degree at times, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, whatever it is. They will teach you more details. They'll make you more creative person, more strong designers on that particular areas. Once you become very strong on the particular areas, the third step will be like high profile jobs, award business, all the things. Okay, this is how it's very simple. You don't need to get complicated. Based on you have all level of colleges, the top colleges also you have, even the normal colleges also providing these degrees and all things. Getting degree is very important to get into jobs. Okay, for this it's very simple. If you start, if you have hobby of sketching and other things, maybe like manga sketching, X, Y, Z, like all things, support your child from the beginning stage itself, the hobby stage itself. Yeah, this will become more easy. The creativity thinking also will go up. So now they will develop as a hobbies. Then they will start drawing their ideas, concepts and everything. That's how the creativity mind and the sketching skills will be involved. So this is a long process. Sometime, right now what students will do, after the 10th exam, they will decide whether they want to go to the creative field or the XYZ field, because the schools also have some counseling call and all the things. They're also suggesting. So +1, +2, they're preparing every week some few hours to face the entrance exam to get the degrees. That also some students are doing. Some students after +2, they'll take like a year break and they're preparing, they're going. They have different students, they have a different choice. If you are very young, even though if you are not planned for your degrees or anything, if you are young, if a child is young, keep drawing more anime, manga, these kind of characters. Help them to learn first character sketching skills, then help them to learn concept sketching skills. So once they learn these two things, the time they'll come 10th or plus 1 plus 2, all the areas, they're very clear. They will crack this entrance. They will get these degrees from any top colleges, not only this IIT or not always for NIT or NIFT. Many other top colleges also they'll get. They'll do good job. They can create better profile, better jobs, and better business. That's it. It's so simple. Yeah. So hobby can turn into become your career. This also will possible. It is there. So how to get creative field? This is how you should get a creative field after plus 2. Prepare them. Utilize your free hobby times in the learning times. This will support the best higher level in the creative side. Yeah. If a child is keep drawing, anime, manga characters and all the things have interest, this comes in the character sketching skills. Help them to join character sketching class first, second concept sketchings, then digital skills and other things. They can get into the college. After going college, they will learn more depth, more higher knowledge and all the things. They'll make them more higher level to get the best career and other things. Right now, as a parents, if your child is drawing more anime, manga, character, all the things, help them to join character sketching mastery course, character sketching classes anywhere. I'm also offering that. I'm giving 1 hour free demo class for these areas. Link is given in the descriptions. Click the link, join my demo class, understand how I will teach, what you will learn, how you will improve, how you can crack it even in the future. Even if you are 9th standard or 8th standard, still if you want to crack it, get into the demo class, understand stuff, then you go to the next steps. When you do research more, when you understand more, you will get very simple decision. That simple decision only will be the right directions. Simple decision only going to make you very successful. Yeah. Click the link below and join the demo class. I'll see you online. Bye bye, ma.